sus.
Hello.
Really, it's so nice of you to see us right away.
That's all right.
Mrs. Wallace, this is Bob Lansky.
Hello.
Hello.
Well, I'm going to leave you two alone and go have dinner with Prudence.
You're not going to stay?
Bob, you're the one who's not handling the situation very well. I haven't eaten all day, and this hasn't been fair to Prudence. Now, if he gets totally out of control, I'll be at the restaurant. I mean, that's the name of the restaurant. I mean, I should be paged. Otherwise, I'll see you later tonight.
But I thought you wanted her to talk to us together.
Oh, not for the first session. Now you listen to everything that Mrs. Wallace has to say, and I'll see you back at the apartment.
Should I sit down?
Would you like to sit down?
Why are you holding that doll?
Does it bother you that I hold the doll?
I don't know.
Were you allowed to have dolls as a child?
Yes. Yes, I was. It was trucks I wasn't allowed to have.
Great big trucks?
Toy trucks.
Now what seems to be the matter?
Bruce seems to be trying to end our relationship.
What do you mean?
He keeps putting these ads in the paper for women. And he seems a little bit serious about this new one.
Women?
Women.
And why does this bother you?
Well, Bruce and I have been living together for a year now. A little more.
A little living together?
Yes.
As roommates?
Well, if that's the euphemism you prefer.
I prefer nothing. I'm here to help you.
But you can see the problem.
Well, if Bruce should move out, surely you can find another roommate. They advertise in the paper. As a matter of fact, my son is looking for a roommate. He doesn't get on with the present Mr. Wallace. Maybe you could room with him.
I don't think you've understood. Bruce and I aren't just roommates, you know. I mean, doesn't he talk to you about me in his own therapy?
Let me get his file. Nope, it's not here. Maybe my dirigible knows where it is. Marcia! Oh, that's right. She's not in the office right now. Never mind. Well, I'll have to rely on memory.
Dirigible?
I'm sorry. Did I say dirigible? Now, what word did I want?
Blimp?
Blimp.
Is the word blimp?
No, it's nothing like blimp. Now you made me forget what I was saying. Something about apartments. Oh, yes. Did you want to meet my son as a possible roommate?
I don't understand what you're talking about. Why do you want me to meet your son? Is he gay?
No, he's not gay. What an awful thing to suggest. He just wants to share an apartment with someone. Isn't that what you want?
No, it isn't. I have not come to you for real estate advice. I've come to you because my lover and I are in danger of breaking up.
Lover?
Your patient, Bruce. The person who was just here, he and I are lovers. Don't you know that?
Good God, no.
What do you mean, good God, no?
But he doesn't seem homosexual. He doesn't lisp.
Are you kidding?
He doesn't lisp, does he? Now, what was I thinking of? Be quiet for a moment. Secretary, the word I was looking for was
Bruce talk about us? Am I that unimportant to him?
I really can't remember without access to the files. Let's talk about something else.
Something else?
Oh, tell me about your childhood. At what age did you masturbate?
I don't want to talk about my childhood.
Very well. We'll just sit here in silence. New patients are difficult, aren't they, Snoopy?
May I see your accreditation, please? Oh, never mind.
So you and Bruce are an item, eh? Odd that I didn't pick that up.
Well, it may be an item no longer.
Well, the course of true love never doth run smoothly.
I mean, suddenly there are all these women.
Well, if you're homosexual then, I guess you don't find me attractive then, do you?
What?
I guess you don't find me attractive, do you?
I don't see what that has to do with anything.
Very well. We'll drop the subject. Not even a teensy weensy bit? Well, no matter. Tell me, what do you and Bruce do exactly?
What do you mean?
You know what I mean. Physically.
I don't care to discuss it.
Tell me.
Why do you want to know?
Patients act out many of their deepest conflicts in the sexual act. Women who get on top may wish to feel dominant. Men who prefer oral sex with women may wish to return to the womb. Couples who prefer the missionary position may wish to do anthropological work in Ghana. Everything is a clue to a trained psychotherapist. Tell me!
I don't care to talk about it.
Very well. We'll move on to something else. I'm sure I can guess what goes on anyway. Wasn't born yesterday. Cocksucker! Oh, I'm sorry. It was just a terrible urge I had. I'm so sorry. Cocksucker! Oh my God, sorry. Cocksucker! Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my God, my blood sugar. Oh, I need the cookie. I need the cookie. Cocksucker! Wait, don't leave. I think I got a cookie. What is this? Oh my God, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my God. Cookie. Oh, that was wonderful.
It is people like you who have oppressed gay people for centuries. Gunshot! Gunshot! Gunshot!
Good for you! Bravo! You're expressing your feelings. Right, people have got to express your feelings. I like that. Am I bleeding? I can't seem to find any blood.
It's a starting pistol. I bought it a couple of days ago to threaten Bruce with.
Good for you!
I don't want to go to prison. That's the only reason it's not a real gun.
Good reason. You know what you want and what you don't want. Oh, I like this directness. I feel like I'm starting to help you. Okay. I mean, don't you see the similarity? Now, why don't I have ulcers? Do you know?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't have ulcers because I don't repress things. I admit to all my feelings. Now, a few minutes ago, when I wanted to hurl anti-homosexual epithets at you, I didn't repress myself. I just let them rip. And that's why I'm happy. And when you were mad at me, you took out your toy gun and you shot me. And that's the beginning of mental health. I mean, do you understand what I'm saying?
Well, I follow you.
Oh, we're making progress, don't you see? And you said it yourself. You didn't buy that gun to shoot me. You bought it to shoot Bruce and that floozy of his.
Yes!
So you see what I'm getting at?
You mean I should follow through on my impulse and go shoot Bruce and Prudence?
Oh! I've never had such a productive first session.
But should I get a real gun or should I just use this one?
Well, that would be up to you. Up to you. What do you really want?
Well, I don't want to go to jail. I just want to punish them.
Good! Punish them! Act it out!
I could go to that restaurant right now.
Oh, yeah, so good!
Will you come with me? I mean, in case somebody tries to stop me, you can explain it's just part of my therapy.
Oh, okay. Let me just get another cookie. Oh, I'm so glad you came to see me. Now, should I bring Snoopy with me or should I leave him here?
Well, which do you really want?
Oh, that's right. That's the issue. Good for you. Wait a minute. I don't know what I really want. Let me sit here for a minute and figure it out.
And the lights slowly fade.
Pamella and Jack Cornwell.